activities in Kisii County.
Ebikaro byebunge nene nigo bigendrete awase ababunge bagendrete kurwibirengerero byabo kubwatikana n'oborayi bwense ya Kenya. Abarayi abo nigo baganiriye ense ya Kenya kwenekya amagendero anene ase baganiriye ogokorwa kwa magana y'obukurumi ayo agendrete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo aho chingaki egati y'abarayi abo igo barorokanire bakomotoyo omurayi bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto na goteba buna nigo erwete kurwa bokoreri borobu yago chiase abana inchi bonsi.
Were done within 30 days. If William Ruto will either be, President William Ruto will be either like President Kibaki, who left us with a debt of 1.8 trillion, or he will be better. And I am one person who believes if Kenya will not change under the leadership of the chief hustler, it will never change.
The president talked a lot about economy in his short speech, and even proposed that he would start by cutting our budget by about 300 billion shillings. I thought that was a bit ambitious, but I'm waiting to see through the supplementary budget what the Treasury has for us to actualize the pronouncements by the President. However, I don't think the solution is on the quantum of the budget as such, or the cutting down of the budget as such. To me, I think we should focus as a country on misuse of resources, on governance issues, and look at the fiscal discipline.